Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to italicize a text in Microsoft Word. So first, make sure to open your Microsoft Word right here. So on this part, for us to italicize a sample text, we need to enter a word right here, or it's either a sentence or a phrase. It depends on you. But let's use this sample word right here. So the word sample, for us to italicize this word, you need to select that specific word. If you enter there a sentence, now you need to select all of that sentence if you want it to be italicized. And right after that one, on the upper left corner of your screen, which is under the font options, you'll be able to see here a letter I that is already italicized. And there, all you have to do is click that one, the italic. And here, this is how it looks like if you already italicized your text or word. And that's how you italicize a text in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.